Vanda sanderiana, commonly known as Waling-Waling, is an orchid species endemic to the Philippines. Revered as the queen of Philippine flowers, it holds cultural significance, particularly among the indigenous Bagobo people who worship it as a dewata. The Waling-Waling, Vanda sanderiana, a Philippine orchid, features large, long-lasting, fragrant flowers with broadly elliptic, dorsal sepals and petals in a delicate rose color with brown spots, and strap-shaped, leathery, curved, evergreen leaves. The Waling-Waling, an orchid species endemic to Mindanao in the Philippines, thrives in tropical rainforests, typically found growing on tree trunks at low elevations, usually below 500 meters. Waling-Waling grows as an epiphyte, meaning it grows on other plants, often tree trunks, and typically thrives in warm, humid environments with bright, indirect light environment by having fibrous, moisture-absorbing roots, and thriving in bright, indirect light and high humidity native to low-lying areas of Mindanao. It interacts with other species in its ecosystem as a pollinator magnet, habitat provider, and a commercially important species used in hybridization. Plays a crucial role in its ecosystem by attracting pollinators, providing habitat, and fostering a dynamic environment. Particularly its roots are traditionally used as a herbal remedy for its antimicrobial properties, potentially inhibiting the growth of S. aureus. Focus on conservation efforts, responsible cultivation, and understanding its natural habitat, which is typically epiphytic on trees, not in soil. The Waling-Waling orchid, a native species in the Philippines, is facing threats from climate change, including habitat loss and changing temperature and rainfall patterns, which can impact its survival. The Visayan spotted deer, also known as the Philippine spotted deer or Prince Alfred's deer, is a nocturnal and critically endangered species endemic to the Visayan Islands in the Philippines. It is one of the rarest deer species in the world and was only recognized as a separate species in 1983. Adults measure 125 to 130 centimeters in length, with a shoulder height of 70 to 80 centimeters and weigh 40 to 60 kilograms. It has dark brown coat with distinctive beige, A-shaped spots on the sides. The undersides and legs are white, while males have short, thick antlers with 3 tines. Historically found across Cebu, Guimaras, Leyte, Masbate, Panay, Negros, and Samar. Currently restricted to fragmented forest patches on Panay and Negros Islands. Prefers dense rainforests and secondary forests at elevations of up to 2,000 meters. It thrives in areas with abundant grasses, leaves, and buds for grazing. Primarily eat grasses, leaves, and buds, particularly young shoots of cogone grass and low-growing vegetation, and they may also visit burnt-out forest clearings for the floral ash. They faces threats from hunting, habitat loss, and poaching, with the main predators being humans. They are shy and retreat to dense forests when disturbed, and males will roar to challenge rival males. Males may be solitary and are mostly nocturnal, foraging for food at night. Visayan spotted deer breed once yearly. Breeding occurs in November and December. Plays a crucial role in its ecosystem by consuming plants and acting as a food source for predators, thus linking plant life to carnivores in the food chain. The presence and health of the Visayan spotted deer, Rusa alfredi, serve as a key indicator of the health and integrity of its forest and grassland ecosystem, particularly in the Visayan Islands of the Philippines. The Visayan spotted deer faces threats from habitat loss due to deforestation and logging, as well as hunting, despite being legally protected. Conservation efforts include establishing protected areas, captive breeding programs, and raising awareness.